Want to enable end-to-end encrypted backups on WhatsApp on your iPhone? By doing this, you can add an extra layer of security of your chat backups and keep them private and protected. Well, look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to enable end-to-end encrypted backups on WhatsApp. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the settings icon below. Then, tap Chats. Next, tap Chat Backup. Here you will see an option called End-to-End Encrypted Backup. Tap on it. Next, tap Turn On. Then, tap Create Password. Now, enter a new password. Make sure to enter a strong password. Then tap Next from the top right corner. Retype password. And then, tap Create from below. And that's it. This is how you can turn on end-to-end encrypted backups on WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. And don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.